everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser, also known as the FJ40 But even so, you know, these cars are definitely building up popularity much over the international scale. Even so, the Broncos, as you've just seen, we had a white one recently post. Now we got a cream colored one, which even so, going the one we have here featuring that same beautiful long body style, the perfect 4x4 off-road vehicle that you could have to go anywhere, whether it be for basic daily driving, off-road experience, or even so just to bring to the shows in general. But even so, with this one, you do have the spare tire in the back. You do have those beefy style tires with the front hubcap locks. Even so, with your two mirrors on both sides, you are going safe. You are cruising the streets just like we are here, of course, with that white top. And even so, we know for some of these FJ43s and Land Cruisers that the top is also removable. So if you want to have that fun in the sun, this is definitely going to be the vehicle for you. But as we move on to the inside, you will see that we do have a 5-speed manual transmission. Bit of an upgrade from your basic Land Cruisers. A lot of them did come with 4 speeds. And even so, you will see right here we have our 4x4 shifter all the way from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. As we even look at our speedometer, the speedometer is definitely going jiggy with it. Even having fun as we go up and down the road. You will see from the sides, it is just a clean, beautiful vehicle on the inside. Even so, if you look at the passenger underneath the dash, you do have an AC unit to keep cool during those times of the month, just like there are now. But even so, what's weird about it is I haven't even seen it yet. It does have an audio system, as you can see from the upper side of the vehicle. It does have built-in speakers. Even so, for the room in the back, you could fit about probably 10 to 15 people in there if you know how to do it right. Maybe even a fine cooler for those fun times at the beach. But even so, as we get underneath the hood, featuring that nice small Toyota motor, nothing fast, nothing too special. But even so, it does perform like a champ with good steering and good brakes, which of course we can't demonstrate for you right up here at the stop sign. But even so, taking a look at it right now from the wheel, it is handling pretty straight. Even coming to a stop right now, handling pretty good as the gears shift down. Very perfect indeed. But even when taking off, it is just as good. That's what we're going to show you right now. Of course, we do have to adapt here to modern day traffic, but even so, we will get there eventually. Even so, with the 5-speed transmission, you are going to do pretty good there. But as for now, though, we are just going to cruise it a little bit, take her up the road, but please stay tuned with us as we get her up on the lift and take a look at that fine underside.